Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to make Jira ticket. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now this is our Jira software interface and there are icons at the top. So all we need to do is just click the Create tab. And for the project, so we are just going to choose the project that we are going to make a ticket. So for this video, it's going to be the demo project 1. And for the issue type, so just choose bug and scroll down. For the status of this ticket, so let's just say this is in progress. And for the summary, so let's say I have a problem with my software, and then scroll down. For the description, let's say solve my software problems. Then scroll down. For the reporter, just type your name. And then for the priority, I'm going to set this into high. And then the skip labels and the environment, just skip that if you don't need it. Also the attachment. So for the linked issue, so let's just say this is blocks. And then there, that's it. And then click create. And that's it. That's how easy we can make a ticket on Jira. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!